I've already done my eyebrow and I've already primed my face. I use my Hema brow pencil to do my eyebrow, and I've primed my face using the Milk Hydrating Primer. I'm almost out of it. So I also have the liquid illuminator. I accidentally break the container, so yeah, but I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna use it like this. So this is what I'm gonna use to get that really nice sun-kissed glow. Yeah, I'm not gonna share this with anyone because it's not hygienic. But yeah, I don't have somewhere to put it, so I'm just gonna use it like that. I'm going to take my brush. I'm just gonna blend. I love using liquid illuminator, even when it's not summer, winter. I just love it on my skin. I just love the way my makeup comes out when I use liquid illuminator. I just love it. It looks so beautiful. Just blend, blend, blend. Make sure that everything is completely blend. I've been having some sensitive reaction around here, but you know what? It's okay. Since I'll go pregnant for my daughter, that girl is 8 years, but I'm still having to deal with this hormone imbalance thing. Like after 8 years, you know, let's just say 9 years after 9 years pregnant, I'm still having to deal, like my system has not yet gone back to the way it was. I'm still dealing with this thing on my face, but it's much more better now, so I can't complain. I'm using I love this foundation so much. This is my Makeup Revelation matte base foundation in P15. I'm almost out of this foundation, but yeah, I love it. A little bit go a long way. Okay, I need to look for a new. I do have other foundation, but I just love this foundation. I need to look for a new one. Skin, you can see how it blends flawlessly into my skin. You see, it just looks so good. I just love it. I did my hair and then I went to take shower. I was like, why didn't I just take shower before fixing my hair? I did my hair and then I went to take shower, and now I have to go back to the bathroom and put some glue and then tie it up. But yeah. So that is properly blended. I'm going to be, yesterday I used the Chestnut. Today I'm going to use this Chai concealer from Too Faced. It's more on the natural side. It's not like super bright, but I love that natural on the eye look when it comes to concealers. I think this one is really just 2 shades lighter or 3 shades lighter than my skin tone. I love how smoothly this concealer just like blend into the skin. I'm just loving it. I'm not gonna use any eyeshadow. I'm gonna use a bronzer as an eyeshadow. I love it. I'm going to take my contour. It's a foundation stick that I love to use as a contour because I feel like it's more natural. I like it. So now I'm going to do my liquid blush. I'm gonna use this from Elf Cosmetic. It's more like on the natural side. Just a little bit on the inner corner of the eyes. So whilst I'm blending this one, I'm gonna allow it to set. I love it. I just love the finished look. Looks so beautiful. Going in with the brush that I used to contour with no product. I'm just blending everything to give it like a smooth transition. Now I go in again to blend this concealer on the inner corner of the eyes. Now it's time to set. I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty setting powder. I love this setting powder. It's so amazing. Now it's time to set the face. I'm going to be using my I don't need to say it again. You guys already know what powder that I'm using. Revolution Matte Base Setting Powder. P14. I think it was, no, the P15 is finished. Okay, I have P14. I have P14 and P15. P15 is finished. So now everything is set. Powder out of the way. I'm going to bronze. I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's so beautiful. So now that it's done, I'm going to quickly contour my nose. Now that it's done, I'm going to take this bronzer from Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use this as an eyeshadow because I love it. It's going to give it that really nice chocolate smoky eyelid. You're going to first press it on the eyelid. Okay, press on the eyelid, press, 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 press. So now that you've gotten everything on the eyelid, you're going to turn the brush around to the side that you didn't use. And now you're going to blend the transition to give you like a really nice, smooth transition. Give it this really nice, natural brown eye shadow look, which I personally really like. Now let's do some blush. I'm using this Sleek blush palette. I've been loving this for now. I just like to mix all the shades together and just deal with it. I just like to set my face. Okay, I'm going to be using this Makeup Revelation setting spray. I'm almost out of it, so let's just finish it. I also went ahead and did my lashes because I still struggle with it a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty highlighter. I'm gonna use this to highlight. My hand is so dry because I washed it and I didn't put any moisturizer on it. Just a little bit on the eyes. A little bit, go a long way. On the nose, on the bridge of the nose. Oops, I catch it. Now the cheekbone. Oh, I love this highlight. I love this Fenty Beauty highlighter. It's so beautiful. It's so nice. I love it. It's so cute. Okay, now it's done. I'm going to take this Kiko eyeshadow. This is an eyeshadow. Well, I love using this as an highlighter for the inner corner of my eyes. I just love the pigment. Yes, I just love. It just makes my eyes feel so awake. Sometimes I also use it as an eyeshadow, but I mostly use it on the inner corner of my eyes. And I'm also going to do my bottom eye because it looks kind of weird now. I'm going to use the same bronzer that I use. You still want to have that really nice smoky look. My bottom eyes is so sensitive, so if you see my eyes getting red, then you know. I have this old Ellie Girl lip liner. I love this lip liner so much, so this is what I'm using. This is a NYX matte lipstick. I'm going to set my face once more again. This is the finished result. I really love how everything turned out, like really simple on the eye. The eye makeup is very simple. I love how glowy and flawless my skin is looking. I love the wig as well. Sometimes it's good to just switch it off, you know, not every time the natural hair. Sometimes switch it off with some wigs. And I really love how everything turned out. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box. I'm in love with this concealer. I really love how my under eye is looking. My under eye looks so good, like so flawless. I really just love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment box, and I'll try and leave all the name of the products I use in the description box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all, and I will see you all on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Do.